Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be indulging in something that is very easy and delicious. If you have never heard about egg and rice, this is definitely a comfort dish to try, which I grew up eating while in Guyana. First, let's begin to prep by whipping any amount of eggs of your choice. We will use some green onion and parsley. We will add some pepper and green seasoning, some cashew, onion, and a small bowl of leftover rice. Some fresh rice is fine, but it all depends on your preference. When you are finished prepping, add some salt to taste and whip it up all together before beginning to cook. Begin by frying your eggs up. Once it's all scrambled, then you're gonna add the rice and let it cook all together. Just look at this dish. It is super easy and super simple. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to do like, share, and subscribe for more.